Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll share a quick tip regarding securing your thread ends. So here I had finished a stitch here, and I have made another stitch through the region so that the thread ends is secured properly and it will be hidden under the stitches. Now I'm taking a new set of thread, and again I will do a similar step of securing the thread. So here I'm holding a little bit and I will pass it below, and I will leave a little end, almost like 1.5–2 inches. I'll take out the needle. Okay, now I'll send it back down, so to start the actual stitch. And you can see I'm holding on to the two thread ends. One thread end is enough so that it is secure and not disturbed while I make the first two stitches. So here you can see that I'm making the stitch. I'm slightly holding down the thread ends. The first stitch is almost done, and the second stitch is going in. I find this method more secure than the one suggested, just hiding the tail thread end under the stitches. I believe that after a certain point sometimes the thread end comes out and the whole stitches become loose. So I hope you found this method useful. Thanks for watching.